school settings. Social media also helps them to take out their talent on online activities, which can help them in their further support in future. I think children and teenagers all should be allowed to use social media to get access to technology. Without social media, we can't understand the value of technology as well. So, social media should be allowed for children as well as teenagers.
All right, thank you so much. Now, the second point is coming on, and here is Sadi Alam. He will discuss. In which point will you discuss now?
Can money buy happiness? Is money everything?
No, what I told you, money is everything. Actually, the point is money is everything. Then you will be the favor of this view. No,
Yeah.
then you may discuss.
Mm, Money is everything. I strongly agree with this statement, and my points are, and I'm going to start my point. Human life is incomplete without money, as money is our best companion in our daily life. Besides, everything has value and cost in this world. One of the such thing is our food. Without money, we will not be able to buy food. Then money can also buy happiness. How? Let me explain. When you buy your favorite t-shirt or toys, don't you feel happy? Yes, of course, you will be happy, and that's why money can buy anything. Thank you, dear moderator and listeners. Thank you.
Then in this point, Simran Alam is here. Just we are going to her. What's your opinion?
Dear audience, first of all, I would like to ask you one question. Have you ever felt a feeling like, gosh, I wish I could have that? I think at some point of life, every one of us has that feeling. Yes, we can have that, it's a natural feeling. But what we should keep in mind is that money begs for more money. So, I am strongly in against the statement that money is everything. As we all know, yes, our aim in our modern lifestyle should be to have a proper job and income, but we should remember that money is like addiction. The more we get it, the more we want it. So, in yes, it's correct that when we get something, our favorite things, we have a high satisfaction about that. But for how long does it go? It is not very long term pleasure. Money can give us satisfaction for short term. And but what is actually happiness? Let me explain. Happiness is actually something that everyone can learn how to have it. Just we have to be grateful to our everyday life, what is happening to us. We have to be grateful on that. If anyone's purpose in life is to accumulate more and more money, then they can never be happy in this world. Moreover, money is something that poor can also have besides rich. Maybe it is possible that rich don't have happiness, but poor have that. And money is totally addiction, which I mentioned earlier. So I would like to conclude that money is not everything. It depends on our state of mind and mental condition.
That's all right. Very good. You point out. Then last point. For what purpose we present here on Notun Goti Potrika is a renowned weekly newspaper from circulated from Kolkata and throughout the Bengal it has spread. And we are also a subscriber, not only me and our school, our organization, our districts. So many persons are there, those who are subscriber of this news magazine. So they have arranged this program here at Malda Kaliachok. Now we are going to discuss about the merit and demerit of this type of program. What happened here? Just again, I would like to reach to our students Sahria Alam and Simrin Alam, who will be in favor of this program.
Yeah, me.
Yeah. Then you may discuss what happening here and what's your reaction?
At first of all, I am strongly in favor of that cultural practice and newspaper reading is a very good habit and we should must have it. News cultural practice is something that enables our qualities like song, dance, and art. And besides our education, it gives us refreshment of other things. Culture newspaper reading is a form of cultural participation where newspapers are written newspapers are written and it is a cultural expression of media with a content ranging from news to politics to economics to state affairs to national affairs. Newspaper reading is essential not only for students but also for competitive exams. Students get different types of questions based on their current affairs which we can read from our newspapers. Besides, students nowadays are burdened with their studies so much, so they can use their cultural practice or their hobbies like songs, dancing, or art, practicing drawing, which is a part of cultural practice to refresh themselves. Moreover, for example, let us take the Notun Goti Potrika, which is honorable new magazines of West Bengal. It has not only reached to every house of Bengal, but it has given so much knowledge to different types of students in this state. It is the ongoing 37th year of Notun Goti Potrika, and almost every year, our Honorable Khadimul Sir brings thousands of pieces of this magazine and distribute all over the places. Notun Goti Potrika mainly attributes the concerns and aspirations of voiceless masses and covers the national and local international affairs. It's a fully independent organization. It doesn't favor any party or politics. It always says about the truth and it always supports the poor who are in needs. So I would like to thank everyone of their effort who are making this project a brilliant work for doing such a good work.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Then your view in this regards?
Yeah, I'm strongly opposing her opinion, and my points are as follows. I'm gonna say, in today's internet era, very few things, very few are there that thinks that newspaper reading or cultural practice is inevitable, as internet made it so easy that to look up any information about any subject, so it's useless of reading newspaper. Moreover, cultural practices, I think cultural practices are or co-curriculum activities are a waste of time for those students who only who are only serious about their study matters. It should be only applicable for those students who thinks their future as acting, singing, etc. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your participation.